right? You're like, I live and breathe heavy equipment. Use that exact same line, Sean. I live and breathe this stuff. Right? I live and breathe this stuff. And now it's like, you're like the barn find guy from YouTube that like understands, well, that Mustang's a 65 Boss, or 69, they didn't mean Boss in 65, I don't think they did. That's a 69 Boss and it's got the regular wheel set. It's like all of a sudden Antiques Roadshow. Oh my gosh, that's a Daytona from, that watch is worth $979,000. It's like you become the Antiques Roadshow guy. Instead of a guy that's like, you need to use my acetone, whatever spray thing that's gonna, we're not fighting them on that, right? No problem, I get it. I'll be here when you need to be absolutely, positively sure that you're gonna get every dollar you can out of that equipment, especially with everything that's going on tariffs and the uncertainty in that pricing and buying new stuff. Fair enough? Yeah, I'll call you, perfect. I'll just shoot you over an email with my contact information and heads up. And then on the email, put your first name, last name as the subject line, pipe or vertical bar, your mobile number. Don't try and sell them in the email, right? As promised in our discussion, whatever you guys need in terms of anything, here's my mobile. And they're gonna be like, he was a solid guy. Let's call him on that, those 6 zippity doodahs that we were gonna sell to Clyde, because I think Clyde's trying to pull a fast one on us. There you go.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.